Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows in 3 different ways. So the first way is the regular way where you use different brow products. It can be a powder, it can be an eyebrow pencil, it can be a brow pomade. So today I'm going to show you with an eyeshadow powder, and for this I'm going to use my Ben Nye eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use a combination of these two shades and an angular brush to fill in my brows. So basically the principle is the same whether you're using a brow powder, a brow pomade or an eyebrow pencil. You need to fill in the brows in the direction of the hair growth. So if you notice at the beginning of the eyebrow, I am filling them in vertical direction, and then in the horizontal direction till the arch of the eyebrow, and then in the downward direction, because that's how the eyebrow hair grows. So whether you're using eyebrow pomade, powder, eyebrow pencil, this is the basic rule that you need to follow, that always follow the direction of hair growth. Now this might look a little bit funny, but it is important to set your eyebrow hair in place once you fill them in. So if you don't have a spare clean mascara wand, just use a plain and simple comb to comb the eyebrow hair up, and then you can just fill any gaps that are visible after combing the hair up. And if you want to set the eyebrow hair in place and you don't have a gel, just apply some Vaseline or some type of petroleum jelly to the ends of your comb and then comb your eyebrow hair up to set the hair in place. Now the second way, which normally people do not like to do, and even I don't advise people to do it directly, is using a kajal pencil for filling in your eyebrows. I normally use a very light hand when I'm using a kajal pencil, but another option is for you to use a brush. So just take some kajal onto the brush and then go in and fill your eyebrows in the same way in the direction of the hair growth. And if you want to use the pencil directly, you can try your hand at it first. I would advise you to try this directly only when you're not in a hurry to go out. Just try it when you're going to be at home, and then if you're confident, you can use it directly when you're going out. So when you're filling in your eyebrow directly with a kajal pencil, hold the pencil at the very end so that you don't put any pressure on the pencil while you're filling in the brow, because otherwise the eyebrow will look very dark, and that is not something that you would want. So hold the pencil at the very end and apply very light pressure, and then fill in your brows, and you will end up with a perfectly filled in brow. And then I'm just going to use a clean mascara wand to comb the eyebrow hair up so that my eyes look more open and the eyebrows look well groomed. So before showing you the third way, I have to clean one of the brows because they're both filled in, and I just have 2 eyebrows like everybody else. So there, one of my eyebrows is clean. So the third way to fill in your brows is using a mascara directly on your brows. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to use another mascara wand, not the one that comes with the mascara, because that wand is going to have too much product on it. So what you can do is just take a clean mascara wand and either take mascara directly from the tube, or just take the mascara from the mascara wand that is there in the tube. Either way it is going to work. And then just brush your eyebrows with this mascara wand lightly. If you have too much product on it, just make sure to remove excess product and then use it on your brows. I would suggest you try this also when you're not in a hurry, and when you get comfortable with these two ways, it becomes very simple to fill in your eyebrows in this way. So I hope you found this video useful. Do hit that like button if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cruelty-free videos like these. I hope you're having a great day. Here's wishing you a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you again very soon with another cruelty-free video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.